I personally love seeing companies get into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and blockchain technology. And that's great, welcome to the party, right? But what I absolutely just adore, okay, and take it a step further, is when companies invest in cryptocurrency mining. This Asian live streaming service that is all about talking to your pals, but you're like, I ain't your pal, buddy. Well, guess what? You're my buddy, pal.
I'm not your buddy, friend. He's not your friend, guy. I'm not your guy, buddy.
Point though being is that they are basically purchasing 2% of the Litecoin network hash rate. And Litecoin is merge mined with Dogecoin. And it's actually more profitable to mine Dogecoin now than mining Litecoin, which makes it, one, especially in this market and with the current trajectory of Litecoin as well as Dogecoin, a very profitable, lucrative venture. So let's go ahead and check this project out. But first, we're checking out Tails, our resident Shiba Inu, and our Dogecoin. And she's the coolest Doge that you've ever seen. If you've ever wanted to mine Bitcoin, then you should head to minewithcompass.com and learn how they're making it possible for everyone to mine Bitcoin now. They sell Bitcoin miners, they will connect you with facilities, co-location, which enables you to host your Bitcoin miners with some of the best Bitcoin mining farms in the world. Click the link below to learn how you can start mining with Compass today. To keep things fun and lively, thanks to an anonymous furry donor, we've got $1,000 worth of BNB Binance coin to give away on the Binance Smart Chain though. So you need a BSC address. We've talked a lot about Binance Smart Chain recently. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is drop your BSC BNB address in the video comments below and grab the timestamp from your favorite part of today's video. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming on Hello Pal. Maybe they should be considering changing their names to Hello Pal, like proof of work. That's proof of work, baby. Just like the shirt says, not financial advice. Also, watch out for scammers and impersonators in the comments section below. I'm not emailing you from a Gmail account, and I don't want to talk to you on WhatsApp. Those are all scammers and impersonators. Hello Pal crypto mining coming soon, and it's just got me excited, but I ain't your buddy, pal. So we actually previously did a video review on Hello Pal and their stock ticker. Hopefully you watched that. If not, I've got it linked out down in the video description below. And so basically they're a live streaming service focused on the tech movement, right? They're looking forward to enhance the 5G revolution experience. They compare their streaming service with Twitch and TikTok. Did you know that VoskCoin is on TikTok too? You should totally follow us. I'd like to keep it, fun, upbeat, and simple there. And so basically kind of like some of the behind the scene stuff. I just can't talk today. Another key thing I want to lead with on this is the simple fact that they have Palto, PLT, their blockchain utility token, which is super freaking cool to see a project moving this way along with a digital wallet. And this isn't like new news. They've been working on this for quite a while. And this, Hello Pal, with the ticker CSEHP or OTC HLLPF, other stock tickers associated with the Hello Pal International Company or International Inc. I always hear Inc. I think of Monsters Inc. Great movie. I never saw the college one. I need to do that. So anyway, focus. We're going to focus on Yutang, who have entered in a purchase agreement with Hello Pal here. And the whole goal here is to purchase an initial 51%. You got to be careful with that term in crypto. Interest in 12,500 mining rigs dedicated to mining Dogecoin and Litecoin, because those are mined via merge mining, script mining algorithm, a specific mining algorithm for cryptocurrencies mined by application-specific integrated circuit miners. And actually one of the first big videos on the VoskCoin YouTube channel over 4 years ago when we reviewed the Bitmain Antminer L3 Plus, which were mining like 0.7 Litecoin a day back then. Really crazy in retrospect. By the way, you better subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But the key note here is that they have the option to increase this to 100%, which they should absolutely jump on in this kind of market and where we're going, but not financial advice. Hello, pal, because I ain't your buddy. They claim that this combined hash rate of 6.25 terahash a second, which via their math, which, you know, I can do math. Let's do some math, right? We can do math. Which equates to 2.1% of the entire LTC network hash rate, which that number kind of intrigued me, right? So I clicked over. I'm like, I'm going to do some research. And so obviously, you know, market's changing a little bit and things are just rapidly evolving in cryptocurrency. But this is the hash rate history. And the network hash rate is basically 370,000 terahash a second on the Litecoin network as of just a couple of days ago. And with 6.25 terahash a second, they would become the 10th largest mining pool. And they're not opening a mining pool, just to be clear, but I think it's a good way to visualize it. They would be the 10th largest known, or publicly, you know, addressed here, Litecoin miner in the entire network, which is really interesting, right? And so if we look at the block distribution, you'll see that most of the blocks are mined by pools. And you see a couple, you know, big solo miners, say, for example, this address is probably a solo miner when they've, you know, grabbed or mined 10 blocks out of the last 1,000 blocks. And they may already be on one of these pools or solo mining or whatever, you know, and there's pros and cons versus everything here, but it's still pretty intriguing that you could go ahead and just boom, bang, purchase, pow, proof of work, baby. On the, you know, you just go ahead and swipe the card and you've got 10% or the 10th biggest mining pool, or, you know, say 2% of a network on a cryptocurrency that is years old. But, you know, it's not about Litecoin anymore. Nobody cares about Litecoin. This is a quick insight into my mining revenue. And so I have the best Litecoin miner right now, the Gulcha LT5, and I mine 0.04 Litecoin a day, which depending on the day market is like 15 bucks. But the really big key takeaway is that I mine about $40 worth of Dogecoin every day. And that is probably one of the reasons why they lead with Dogecoin / Litecoin mining assets here, because Doge used to be like 10% of your, like if you mine $10 in Litecoin, you would get like $1 in Doge. And now it's flipped. Like you mine 40 bucks in Doge and get 15 bucks in Litecoin. It's pretty crazy. All right, so in the previous video, we talked about them announcing their user Bitcoin mining initiative, which is, I think, really cool, giving all of these users in their platform access to this Yatang managed mining farm. And again, they've really focused on just the company personally purchasing and acquiring Doge and Litecoin miners, right, for their own mining initiative, but launching an initiative, to say that word yet again, for the actual users, right? So imagine you just log into the app and you're like, oh yeah, I'd like to do that. It'd be like you go on YouTube and they're like, hey, you know, looks like you enjoyed that video. Instead of spamming you with YouTube TV, or you guys remember YouTube Red? Instead, they're like, hey, you want to purchase some Bitcoin mining hash rate? It's in essence, you know, cloud mining. But it feels a little less dirty when it's associated with an actual company with the service and a use case here, as opposed to like cloud money company number 27.com. I hope you guys pay me. The next biggest news related to Hello Pal, just as a company here, and like, oh, you know, is that the next stock I should buy, right? Is they announced 2.4 million monthly revenue for March 2021, which that is their most recent revenue release, right? And that's, I mean, they are clearly just on a very big uptrend when it comes to that monthly revenue. Keep in mind these numbers are in CAD in this chart, or the Canadian dollar. This is their fourth successive month above $2 million that they've achieved, and the gross margin for the period was 15%. Non-China revenue has been progressing steadily for them as well, accounting for 20% of its total revenue, increased from 16% from the previous month. Additionally, the number of non-China live streaming minutes is now double that of China. The daily non-China hosts is now triple that of China. So, and significantly, the number of paying users from non-China countries has also exceeded that of China. Okay, so the big takeaway there is that they're simply growing consistently, and they're growing outside of their native market. which is a big piece of this company just simply branching out. So that's our quick update on Hello Pal and their stock, the HLLPF, Hello Pal International. At the time of recording this video, the price is at about $1.12 per share, and it has increased slightly since our previous video, but at certain days was up 30% from the initial price. And with the direction they're trending, I mean, live streaming, Dogecoin mining, entity, social media app plus Doge mining in 2021, that sounds like a recipe for success, but it's not financial advice. If you do want financial advice, or the best advice possible, I should really say, it's that you should subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. I'll see you guys on the next video.